Hello everybody, welcome back to another Backcountry UTV video. Today we are going to be reviewing some upper door enclosures. These were sent to us by StarKnightMT, so a big shout out to them. They come nicely packed in clear plastic. As well as tissue paper in between all of the windows. That way they won't get scratched. They attach with Velcro loops, as you can see here. And then we'll go around your roll cage. And this is what the whole door looks like. It'll go on like that. They also, I believe, have a slot for your mirrors to come out of. So your mirrors can come out of right here. And then they also have some sticky stuff that you can put on your doors. And that will help keep the door actually staying on there. Okay, so here are their instructions. As you can see, it shows you all of the straps in here. It also tells you that if you want it really sealed, then you have to have a roof in front and rear windshields. It also shows you exactly where all the Velcro should go, and where the tape should go, as well as that the windows can fold down and that your mirrors can go through that little slit. As well as getting in and out, all you have to do is pull the zipper, and then the window part will come with your door, and then the top trim piece, I guess you could call it, will stay attached to your roof and your roll cage. Okay, so now we are ready to go ahead and put this on. So you can just start by doing the easiest clamp, or the easiest Velcro strap. Okay, so now we have it installed. The mirror loop here was not big enough to fit my mirror. This wouldn't be a problem, of course, if you took the actual mirror part off and then just left the little bracket that it goes on. However, it is very nice. All the straps, very easy to use. And then to get in and out, all you have to do is pull the zipper, and then you can reach in and grab your door handle. This would stay on here, it has tape, but we are not going to use it because it's the middle of summer right now and it's going to be 100 degrees outside. But otherwise this would stay on here, and then you just repeat that same process on the other side.
Okay, and here we are simulating going through a really heavy rainstorm. Keep in mind that the bottom of the doors here are not taped down like they should be. Like I said, we just didn't want to tape it down because, you know, it's June here in South Dakota and we don't really need these until, you know, it gets cooler for some fall riding. The nice thing about these though is that you can fold them up. They don't take up much space. Put them in your backpack or your toolbox, whatever it is that you have. Take them along, roll them up, throw them in there. And if you're out somewhere quite a ways from home, and it looks like it's going to storm, rain, which always happens for us, you can literally quick grab these, 5 minutes or less. You can throw them up there and away you go, and you're going to be probably 95% protected from the weather. So these soft uppers are a really cool deal, and Star Knights is as good as anybody's that we've seen. It's just like I said, the only bad part is that tape that you're supposed to put to tape on your doors, and like I said, that wouldn't even be a problem except for we just didn't want to do it today because it's going to get warm and we're not probably going to have them on like we would if it was going into fall riding season or early spring riding season. But so right now, what I'm going to do is we're going to do the water test, and our subject is inside the vehicle waiting to get wet, and I will throw the big bucket of water on him and we'll see how dry or wet he becomes. Hopefully he's going to stay dry, but we will see. I'm sure that around the corners here where we didn't take it apart, take his mirrors off, it's not sealed perfectly good because we could remove the mirror and put it around the base and then put the mirror back on. So keep that in mind that it would seal up better here had we done that. But like I said again, we're going into the hot season, so we're not gonna mess with quite all that today. But we're gonna do the rain test. So here it goes. Take one. Action. And there was the rain test. You can see by our test, he is pretty dry. I threw about 2 gallons of water at the window. The only thing that happened to it was, being that we didn't have it stuck down like this, the water went like that and came in the bottom. But as you can see, we hit the roof, we hit the tops, and nothing got into him anywhere except for where it went like that and got him a little bit of wet. And that wouldn't have happened if we would have had it stuck down like we're supposed to do. Like I said, we just didn't want to do it this time of year yet. So.
Okay, so that was our review and installation of these upper doors. Big shout out to Star Knight. The rain test did pretty good. The whole window part and where the zipper was and everything all held tight, other than just the tape here, which like we said, we're not going to put on because it's going to be so hot. So a huge shout out to Star Knight, and thanks for letting us review your product.